Bitcoin surges over $71,000 as Ether ETF hopes lead to $260 million in short liquidations. Fidelity reportedly amends Ether ETF S1 filing, removes ETH staking. Crypto exchanges exit Hong Kong license race ahead of May deadline. Yuga Labs halts CryptoPunks project after woke community backlash. US shutdowns lead to global decline in Bitcoin ATMs. Hello and welcome to 3.0 TV. I am Vishakha Thakur. Virtual digital assets or VDA market surged in the past 24 hours on the back of a spike in spot purchases and purchases of BTC exchange-traded funds. Interestingly, this helped push the price of Bitcoin towards the $70,000 crucial mark. Ruchi Sharma joins us to tell us how global crypto market is performing today.
IC15 index of cryptocurrencies was trading up 8.6% at 90,000 points. Meanwhile, in the latest weekly review of funds flows by CoinShares digital asset investment products experienced a significant increase in inflows totaling $932 million. This represents a 716% rise from the previous week's $130 million. The absence of significant interest in short positions on BTC suggests a positive investor outlook. To date, Bitcoin investment products have accumulated $13.85 billion in inflows since the beginning of the year. Furthermore, the US has solidified its position as the global hub for cryptocurrencies. Relatively new to the scene, the US ETF market topped the pack with inflows of over $1 billion. This optimistic outlook seems to be related to the latest US Consumer Price Index data, which raised expectations of a less aggressive rate hike by the Federal Reserve. Lower interest rates have historically been associated with riskier investments such as Bitcoin. Going forward, the Biden administration's recent announcement regarding 30% tax on electricity used for digital asset mining operations is raising concerns within crypto miners. Moreover, the Middle East is becoming an increasingly viable option because there are often fewer taxes, abundant energy, and less onerous environmental regulations there. Meanwhile, Ether surged over 20% in the past 24 hours, following credible rumors that the asset could receive its own spot ETF in the United States within days. This followed a tweet from Bloomberg ETF analyst Eric Balchunas that he and his partner James Seyffert were upping their odds of ETH ETF approval this month from 25% to 75%. The global cryptocurrency market cap was at $2.6 trillion mark, increasing 7.6% in the last 24 hours. The total trading volume increased by 125% to $140 billion. Well, in terms of market capitalization, Ethereum, the second largest cryptocurrency, has recently surpassed MasterCard, the industry leader in payments. Ethereum now possesses a total market cap of $440 billion. Interestingly, the price of a single Bitcoin in Japan surpassed 11 million yen for the first time in history, and the value of the peso in the Philippines and Argentina also reached its highest point. Similar to this, on May 21st, the value of one Bitcoin in the Philippines momentarily surpassed mid-March highs, reaching a record 4.18 million pesos. Moreover, in a fresh and vibrant upgrade, SHIB announced the Veli Friends NFT collection, a series of innovative NFTs to support a popular Italian restaurant and catering business. According to Satoshi Kusama, the upgrade would be a unique and engaging way to interact with NFTs, partnering with one of Italy's most exciting food brands. US stock futures traded flat after the technology-heavy Nasdaq Composite closed at an all-time high. Futures connected to the Nasdaq 100 dropped 0.1%. Dow Jones Industrial Average Futures and S&P 500 futures also traded near the flat line. Bitcoin was trading at $71,000, up 6%. Ethereum, the second largest crypto, was up by 18%, trading at $3,680. BNB was up by 8% to trade at $620. Solana SOL was up 3% and was trading at $182. Cardano's ADA token was up by 7.5% to trade at $0.5. Avalanche AVAX was trading at $40.5, higher 12%. Polygon Matic was trading up by 8% to trade at $0.74. Doge, the popular meme coin, was trading up by 8.3% at $0.16. Shiba Inu was trading up by 6.5%. Ripple's XRP token traded at $0.54, up by 6%. Polkadot was up by 8% to trade at $7.5.
Thanks, Ruchi, and now back to the headlines. Fidelity has filed an amended S1 application with the United States SEC for its spot Ether exchange-traded fund. The asset management giant has reportedly filed an updated S1 application stating that the ETF's underlying Ether tokens will not be staked. S1 filings are the SEC's required registration form for launching publicly traded securities products in the United States. Well, the amended filing follows reports that the United States SEC has U-turned on spot Ether ETFs, possibly due to political pressure, with reports stating it has asked ETF issuers to update their 19B4 filings. The next SEC deadline is May 23 for Vanex Ether ETF proposal, while senior Bloomberg ETF analyst Eric Balchunas has increased the odds of approval to 75% from 25%. This only applies to the 19B4 form. The number of crypto exchanges seeking operational licenses in Hong Kong is steadily decreasing, even as the deadline approaches. 3 crypto exchanges recently withdrew their license applications filed with SFC. On May 13, crypto exchanges IBTCEX and Quanex Lab withdrew their applications initially filed in Feb 2024. Hobby HK, a crypto exchange with links to HDX, followed suit the next day. Now, 7 crypto exchanges have withdrawn their Hong Kong license applications in 2024. However, the reasons behind withdrawal were not revealed on the HKSFC's website. All crypto exchanges that have not applied for a license must cease operations in Hong Kong by May 31st. Currently, 21 crypto exchanges are lined up for a license in Hong Kong, which includes prominent global players such as Bybit, Crypto.com, Matrixport, HK, HKX, and OKX. Yuga Labs CEO Greg Solano announced that the non-fungible token company would no longer touch the CryptoPunks project following community backlash from its new Superpunk World project. On May 20th, the official CryptoPunks account announced a new NFT collection called Superpunk World. The collection featured 500 pieces of hybridized 3D sculptures, which it described as blurring the lines of race and gender. The pieces were created by New York-based painter Nina Apney and aim to pay homage to the irreverent early internet roots of CryptoPunks project. Despite its goals, the collection received criticism from various crypto community members for being woke. A community member said that Yuga Labs killed CryptoPunks with the move, "Go woke, go broke, Yuga killed punks today." For the first time since July 2023, the number of active Bitcoin ATMs worldwide has decreased. The United States and Canada represent 91.4% of total Bitcoin ATM network, each hosting 31,089 and 2,909 machines, respectively. Countries worldwide significantly contributed to the month-on-month increase in Bitcoin ATMs throughout 2024, nearly reclaiming the 38,000 mark lost in Jan 2023. However, the 10-month-long global crypto ATM growth streak broke after over 300 ATMs went offline in May 2024. Now, as of May 21, the US market lost 302 Bitcoin ATMs during the month, while 28 machines went offline in Canada. However, new Bitcoin ATMs in Australia, Switzerland, and Europe have reduced the net decline in crypto ATMs to 280 as of now, and Australia hosts the third largest network of active Bitcoin ATMs after the US and Canada with 1,041 machines. Now let's go to Shikha Singh to get an update on buzzing coins of the day.
Let us have a look at the buzzing crypto watch list for today and the week ahead. First on the list, we have Ethereum. Ethereum, the second largest cryptocurrency price, surged over 20% on Monday as Bloomberg analysts increased their odds for spot Ethereum ETF approval to 75%. The market is expected to experience increased volatility this week as the SEC's response to spot Ethereum ETF application is expected. Furthermore, the SEC must decide whether to approve an spot Ethereum ETF application on May 23rd and the ARC21 shares Ethereum ETF application on May 20th. 24th. Bloomberg analysts Eric Balchunas and James Seifert have upped their odds for Ethereum ETF approval from 25% to 75%, citing increasing political pressure. In fact, Nate Cressy, the president of ETF Store, stated that the SEC must approve both 19BS and S1S for an ETF to launch. Next on the list, we have a GNO token. Tainfield Capital has announced a $30 million buyback program for Gnosis DAO, aiming to realign the token's market value with its intrinsic book value. The crypto fund plans to use $30 million from its treasury over 6 months to boost the token's value. Gnosis holds $630 million in non-GNO liquid assets and $100 million in venture capital investments. The proposal has received preliminary support from the Gnosis community, with 12 out of 14 governance forums voters in favor. If approved, the buyback will follow a two-program strategy, which is the first one is the time-weighted average price, also known as TWAP strategy, which will allocate $15 million to purchase GNO tokens over 6 months. And the second is discretionary approach, which will allocate another $15 million to optimize purchases. Next on the list, we have Boom. Boom, a digital asset, saw a surge in trading volume following its listing on Binance, boosting liquidity and visibility in the crypto community. The listing was met with enthusiasm from retail and institutional investors who see it as a sign of maturity. Boom's price surge is a testament to Binance's selection process. As Boom faces new opportunities and challenges, maintaining momentum is crucial for sustained growth. Factors like technological developments in market trends and regulatory changes will shape its future. Boom's management plans include blockchain infrastructure enhancements, increased marketing and partnerships with the financial technology companies. Next on the list, we have Shiba Inu. Shiba Inu experienced a 579% increase in its burn rate in the past 24 hours, preliminary due to incarnation of 9.83 million tokens. Despite the significant token destruction, the cryptocurrency traded in red today with a dip of 4.3%. Weekly charts show a 9.8% upswing, highlighting the coin's heightened volatility. CoinClass data shows mixed investor sentiment, with derivatives volumes increasing to 21.6%, but SHIB's OI slipping 8.13%. The RSI hovers around 48, suggesting a post-BTC halving price rally for long-term prospects. Next on the list, we have Ripple. Whale Alert reports a significant transfer of 50 million XRP tokens from Ripple Labs to an unknown wallet valued at approximately $25.7 million. This follows a large-scale movement by the payment processing firm last week, where over 100 million XRP were sent to an external wallet. Ripple periodically sells portions to its holdings to fund operational activities and support blockchain ecosystem initiatives. These large-scale movements of XRP tokens are often prompt discussions about their potential impact on the market, including the price of XRP itself. XRP's market dynamics have seen a major decline of 1.63% over the past 24 hours, with its current trading price hovering around $0.5.
Well, that's all in today's special bulletin. This is me, Vishakha Thakur, signing off. For more on such updates and market news, please log on to our website www.3worstv.io or scan the QR code.